Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the puzzle guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the chain store puzzle. This puzzle originally won a jury honorable mention for Goh Pit Khiam in the Kyoto IPP design competition, and this version has been 3D printed by Rex Rossano Perez. Difficulty level of the chain store puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit the chain into the box. But if you try to put parts inside, you will find that you can't fit all of them. You can try, and maybe you will find a way like to put almost everything inside, but all parts supposed to be inside the box and no parts supposed to be sticking out. So you have to find the only possible solution to this puzzle. This puzzle has a chain that has 5 links. They are all exactly the same and they are 3D printed. Also, the box was 3D printed and has a chain store name on it. If you like the chain store puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So if you are watching this video, probably you tried many different ways but didn't succeed, and you want to see how it actually works to solve this puzzle. So what you have to do is to grab the chain, put the second link up like this. The first link goes next to it like that. The third link goes in the middle. Then you add the first link up and the fifth link next to it. So it's actually left and right side are very similar, but on the opposite sides of the middle piece. And now you can put everything inside the box and everything fits nicely and below the line of the box. So as you can see, nothing sticks out, everything is inside of the box. And that is the solution of the chain store puzzle. It might look easy once you know the solution, but it can be tricky to figure out the way how to do that. If you like the chain store puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles made by Rex Rossano Perez or designed by Goh Pit Khiam, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.